Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make juicy scrambled eggs. First, let's get our ingredients ready. For each person, you'll want about 2 or 3 large eggs. To make them extra creamy, add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for every 2 eggs you're using. Then, gently whisk the eggs until the yolks and whites are just combined. Don't overdo it. We want a nice, fluffy texture. Now for the cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over low heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Keep folding the eggs gently, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. You want them to be mostly set but still look a little moist and shiny. This is key for that juicy texture. As soon as they reach this point, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them just enough, preventing them from becoming dry. Finally, it's time to season your delicious scrambled eggs. Add a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give them a final gentle stir. For the absolute best experience, serve them immediately on warm plates. If you like, a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley can add a lovely pop of color and flavor. Enjoy your perfectly juicy scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.